Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we're how to installation Pycharm Windows 11 Pycharm download where download professional or community where download just community version already downloaded here. Just few minutes we'll wait for complete our download. Our download is completed. Now is click here, show, and we'll just click yes, yes, next, next. Just here some ID installation. This is my silent solution. Here you can visit and see. Here is the Linux Cloud DevOps related video you can see and visit and subscribe our channel. Here is the Linux Red Hat Linux preparation class, Red Hat exam preparation class. Here is the menu you can see and visit. Just we're waiting for finishing. I think now finishing. Just where here is some click, confirm your security issue has a continue as a data sync is send string has don't send. Here is just where create hello silent solution. Here just create your new project. Just a minute you wait. First time is the need time because it's seeing this, because first time is net all is environment is syncing and ready. Our project is ready, and also here is bar Python. Here is click, just run, and hi Pycharm. Here is hi Pycharm is properly work, and thanks for watching.